Bound by Jeremy Eisen. End of Sprint 2 summary. As a vehicle, I want to have a collision effect in the event that the user comes in contact with the vehicle, so the user can tell a collision has occurred. As a river, I want to be displayed as a color that does not allow the user to pass, so that the player has to navigate by other means. As a log, I want to move in a horizontal direction, left and right, and allow the user to jump onto so that the user can travel with the log on the water. Child story number 4 is as a vehicle, I want to have a collision effect in the event that the user comes in contact with the vehicle, so the user can tell a collision has occurred. It's going to display an image to show that the collision has occurred, and the player is going to be restarted to the beginning of the screen. It's going to be right here. Going to come in contact with the vehicle. Displayed a small image and then restarted. Alright, number 6. As a river, I want to appear as a blue area reaching from the left side to the right, so it appears to be constant. So it should reach all the way across, and then any objects in the river should be on top of. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put this on there too. Alright, you can see that the logs are going across, they're on top of it, and it's extending all the way across. Alright, as a river, I want to allow the user to fall in. This causes the user to have to go back to the beginning of the game, and the user will also lose a life. Pretty much for consequences. Right. Alright, image is displayed there, and also it sent me back to the beginning, and I did lose a life, but you can't really tell yet. As a log, I want to travel left or right, keeping my Y constant so that the log appears in the river. A log must appear as a brown object and flow left or right. After the log object leaves the view, a new log should be created and traveling using the same Y coordinate and in the same direction as the destroyed log. As you can just see that they just come back in view as soon as they have left. As a log, I want the player to be able to jump onto to travel with the log in order to overcome the obstacle. Okay, if the user jumps onto the log, the user speed and direction of travel should mimic the log object. If the user jumps off the log onto solid ground, then the user object should resume normal operation. And that's the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching.